We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. In today's video, we're gonna take my mom on a little ride, man. Get moms on the camera. I don't know what's up with this thing. I bought this thing, but it's not wide enough. Like, so I'm gonna try to get both of us in here at the same time. I'm trying to get it right, but it ain't acting right, man. So I don't know, man. We're gonna get it in here the best way I can. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Here she come. Here we go, man. We about to ride, dog.
It's a little oil burning.
No, it's cool. I had changed the stuff. Still smelling it though, but I had changed the radio hose the other day before I took it to get painted.
You get kind of close to that car.
For me?
Yeah.
How close to how I got close to the car?
That car that parked right there. You backed up.
You can't drive.
I can drive.
All right. I'm gonna go up under here and smell it, make sure though, I still do smell it. I don't see nothing leaking though. I gotta check the fluid. Say what's up to the Hustle Nation. He is live.
What's up, Hustle Nation?
I don't know why this thing is not really like getting both of us though.
Hustle Nation in the building.
That's a little better, I guess.
Hey y'all.
I wish we would have took the other way, but gonna have to get the best. Gonna have to, yeah, I should just
Go that way.
Yeah, but it ain't gonna be nothing but traffic over that side either. I could go this way. I can just go straight. Yeah, we can go this way and go straight, y'all. About to see what we can do in the GT. I know we just got the Pontiac painted, you know what I mean, string bean, and all of that. I don't know why we can't really get both of this in here. What, SS? No, that's not SS. Always that way. We don't want to go that way, we want to go this way. Got some wheels. One thing I really want to do, well, I don't know if we keep the car here, we gonna see. Gonna see if we keep the car yet. Huh?
That's how I was getting out the video.
Oh, wow. You gotta get in the video, they gotta see it. You moved over some more?
Yep.
What? Got a lot of room over here, y'all. I need to get on.
Wow, today.
I need to get on the other road.
No, okay, hold this up here. Calm yourself down now.
Can't be saying my government all in the camera. I gotta edit that out.
Yeah, you gotta edit that out, because when you should have been speeding.
You gotta edit that out. Remember, edit your government out, dog. You gotta edit the government out, right?
You said government now when you mean business.
You holding on to the thing, ain't you?
Yep.
Ah. We gotta get it on we gotta get it on the real road. We gotta get it on the real road, y'all. This ain't the real road right here. It ain't a lot of room on this side. You know what I mean? We just going to get a quick bite to eat. And I decided to ride this car. I don't be liking it because I need some gas right now. I should. Just think about QT gas. Gotta get some gas in this thing, y'all. Fill this thing up. Matter of fact. Ah, QT though? I guess it's 90. Yeah. Yeah. Shit, for $369.
Damn, get inside. Oh, then we paying up to the prices.
$369, yeah. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get some gas in this thing, man. Show y'all the car, man. Y'all know I just got it painted real quick. Then we're gonna get back on the road. I'll probably catch y'all after I get something to eat, though. Yep. I'm gonna show y'all how much it costs to fill up. I don't know. Maybe it's not a big car. Maybe it's just
yeah. Where you driving? Yeah. Maybe it's that.
This is small, so it can't do the same thing I do with Karen. Okay, at the gas station, man. See, I tried to clean it up a little bit. I need to clean it up more, but remember the car got painted on this side over here. We're gonna see how much this thing costs to fill up, but it looked really good, y'all. Like, it looks actually really good. Like, I'm really excited about it because it came out better than what I thought it was gonna come out. A little bit of overspray right there, but no big deal. You know what I mean? Stream beam. Got this thing all cleaned up. Gonna see how much it costs to fill up. We are at 29 bucks as of right now, and gas right now is I said 2, I wish. 369. Y'all see what's going on. This thing look good though, man. Y'all gotta admit. So we're gonna get some more footage back when we get on the main road so I can get my mom's reaction. But as you see, she oh, that's the new the Genesis GV80 right there. No, that's the GV70. The GV70. Because the back tail lights is different. You can tell from back there. Yep, so let me finish putting some gas in this thing. Damn, we at $50 already, bro. I should stop this shit right now. Damn. You gotta pay to play, guys. Okay, let's see. 53.51. We're gonna go right at 54. Boom. Can we get it? Ow. No! What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below.
Are you videotaping me?
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I'm on the phone and everything?
I edited it out. Make sure now. Make sure double check. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
What's up, Red?
What's up?
Nothing.
Ain't nothing up?
Nah, Ray, ain't nothing.
Oh, dang. I thought something would have been up.
I'm good, like what?
You woke up this morning, you was cool?
I was cool this morning, what?
You ain't noticed nothing different about this morning?
No, what you talking about?
Dang, that's crazy. Well, nothing different about this morning.
Let me see.
Tooth Fairy or nothing didn't come by or nothing?
Boy, let me look. I'm looking. Wait a minute.
You get my text message?
Okay, I see it.
Did you get my text message?
I said I see it.
You just now seeing it?
My phone was turned off.
Hmm.
And then I went to work and turned it off and I went to work.
Oh, when you...
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
No, you welcome.
And Ray was like, you ain't see the Tooth Fairy that come. I was like, shit, if I found out shit, bitch don't need to ditch.
I told you, they don't be having their phones on.
Now, I turned my phone off when I go to sleep. Then when I turned it on, the job was calling, and then everybody was calling, then I turned it on. Back up.
So you just now seen that you had that money in there?
Yeah, because when I get up in the house, she just...
Well, that means you didn't need to send it back.
Thank you, 1-800 check that house.
Send it back to my account, though.
But I'm looking at it now.
Yeah, that means you didn't need it that bad. You just not looking.
Hello?
Yeah. Oh, I ain't have to hang up. You just gonna edit me out.
But I ain't gonna edit you talking now, bro.
You not?
Y'all ain't talking about nothing?
Oh.
What y'all talking about? Grandma, what y'all talking about? Y'all ain't talking about nothing important?
No, baby, we ain't talking about too much.
We ain't talking about nothing important.
Y'all could have checked the oil before it gets dark.
Grandma, I got my car painted. Baby.
You got his car painted today.
Got my car painted today, Grandma, baby.
Right.
What, the fancy car?
Yeah, the fancy car.
The car?
Yeah.
The which one car? color, Grandma?
What color was it?
Burgundy.
Burgundy.
It was just two parts. It was just two parts that was a different color.
Burgundy.
Oh, okay.
And I can't even let it loose because there's so much traffic.
He sold that one.
Oh, you just got to paint it.
I'm gonna post it today. As soon as I pull over and take some pictures. Just to see what's going on with it. But Big Clay Ray need a big boy car, Grandma.
Got a big boy car.
Yeah, I need a big boy car. You know what I'm saying? So when they see me, they know. Why is she getting in front of me with the baby on board? You need to get out of the way with that baby on board sticker you got. Get out of the way. Raise the windows down so y'all can hear the motor. Hold up. Man, we got a lot of traffic.
Man, these french fries is here to stay with the cheese.
You always wasting something. That on my seatbelt?
No, it's on my shirt.
Oh, do they that's on my seatbelt thing?
I can't never eat without wasting money.
They will never let me loose in this car. I noticed that.
That's why my shirts be all messed
They will
up.
never let your boy loose. I'll be trying to get loose. Come on, man. Let's do this. Let's do this, dog. There ain't even a, what you call it, trying to speed
Truck
up a
driver,
little bit.
trucks.
You going, ain't it? Dang, Hustle
I
Nation,
said the truckers
man.
be.
This is crazy.
Wow, this is they trying to
Grandma, I'm always
crazy.
And watch, she gonna get the left lane right here. I gotta get maybe I do. I could get Jay in the video too. Everybody in our way, dog.
I'm glad. Yeah. Get me to death.
Everybody in our way. Anyway, we got a good little road right here. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you trying to give me a heart attack.
We got a good little road right here. We're gonna be able to hit the gas on, but
Ain't no
ain't your fries, huh?
Ain't no
Send it to her.
shit was fine. Ain't no spring chicken no more.
You believe she just not seeing that?
Me neither. I definitely
She trying to do it.
I'm
Man, I just spent a lot of money in the past couple of days.
Ain't no spring chicken. My heart ain't as strong as it used to be.
I don't spend a lot of
I
money.
say I'm getting old. My heart ain't as strong as it used to be.
It's still strong.
Yeah, brother.
It's still strong.
Get me to death.
A couple of days my neck didn't hurt, so wonder what the hell is this?
I know I got a strong heart. Got a strong heart.
Days. Then my blood pressure was ran fast, 134.
Come on, give me the green.
So my neck started.
We got like 1, 2 cars we gotta get in front of. It's a bus on this side. They gotta go first. Or the police, or marshal.
Yeah.
I don't be seeing no police on this road.
Gee,
I don't.
I do.
Maybe once or twice, like not even every month. I don't hardly ever see no police on this road.
That don't mean don't act up. Just act up because you ain't seen one.
Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna show you what the car do. Ready?
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, but next time when I ride with somebody else, it gotta be less traffic or go another way. I forgot you need to go to the post office, so that's why I was like, I thought I was gonna be able to take this road
No,
first
I'm riding with him.
and then go this way. Come on, they better give us the green. Let's do this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Grandma, you about to hear it. You about to hear the sports car right now. As soon as they get out our way. Look at that little car, Mom.
How's the weather down there?
Warm.
Can't do nothing, Hustle Nation. It's
Shit up here.
nothing.
Let it go. That warm
This
up
is
here.
ridiculous, bro.
They did say it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And they did.
Man, what's your name? Just jump in that thing. Whoa! Oh, it's going right well.
Relax. You crazy.
Hey, driving fast.
Oh, you so crazy. Man, we couldn't really. Damn, he could stay right there. But all right, Hustle Nation, man. That's all I really wanted to get for the whole video. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Hey, that was a good one, though. That was a good one. It's your boy Ray. Big play, Ray. We scared moms today.
Oh!
Are you serious, Mom?
Yeah, I'm serious, Ray.
Please.
No, that's right.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in.
You
the
are-
pandemic.
You already know,
We don't
man.
give a damn about no depression, recession. We're gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.